Hi, boys and girls. Today for our phonics lesson, we are going to learn a new word. Then we're going to talk about two letters of the alphabet. And then we are going to read a story together with some words that you are already learning. And you're going to be able to read those words really good and quickly. And so we're going to practice some fluency and looking at those words in a story and be able to read those. So let's get started. Today, we're going to learn a brand new sight word, and this sight word is see. Can you repeat that with me? See. Very good. You're going to see this word in so many stories you read. So we want to make sure that we know this word so we can read it quickly. Let's look at a sentence down below that uses the word see. I can see better with my new glasses. So sometimes our glasses help us see so much better if we get new ones, if we've had some old ones for a while. Let's look at the word see. I'm going to say the word, and I want you to repeat it a few times after me. So I'm going to hold my hand out like this, and then I want you to say the word. So ready? See. Now your turn. Good job. See. Your turn. One more time. See. Good job. So we're going to say it with a soft voice, and then we're going to say it with a loud voice. So let's say see with a soft voice. See. Your turn. Good, I barely heard you. Now we're going to say it with a loud voice. See. Your turn. Oh, goodness, that was loud. Good job. Now let's look at the word see, and let's talk about how to spell this word. So the word see is spelled with 3 letters. S-E-E. See. I want you to spell it with me as I point to it with my mouse right here. Ready? S-E-E. See. Let's try it again. S-E-E-C. Good job. So today you've learned a brand new sight word, see. And you can use this in your writing, and you can read it when you look at books. Now let's talk about our letter for today. So this is the letter Y. And I want you to repeat that with me. So this is the letter Y. This is a capital Y or an uppercase Y. And this is a lowercase y. So we're going to look at this letter, and we can say this letter with a yawning voice. Why? Can you say that with me with a yawning voice? Why? Very good. Let's talk about the sound that Y makes. The letter Y makes the sound Y, as in yo-yo. So repeat after me. Y, Y, yo-yo. Y as in yo-yo. Okay, so let's try it again. Y, yo-yo, yeah, yo-yo. Let's try it again. So say the name, Y, say it again, Y, yo-yo. Now the sound, yeah, yo-yo. Very good. Look at these 2 names that have the Y in them. We have the first name, Yanni, and the second name, Yolanda. And we see that the Y is an uppercase Y or a capital Y at the very beginning of that word. So we want to make sure it's capitalized at the beginning of a name. And we make the sound Yanni, Yanni. And we make the sound Yolanda. Very good. Now we're going to practice making the Y with our finger in the air. And then you're going to use the palm of your hand to draw a Y. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to start at the top. We're going to slant right. And then we're going to lift to the top and slant left. So they're going to meet right in the middle. And then we're going to pull straight down. Okay, so let's try that one again. Start at the top, slant right, lift to the top, slant left, pull straight down. Excuse me. Take the palm of your hand and let's try it in the palm of your hand. So start at the top, slant right, lift to the top, slant left, pull straight down. Good job. Let's talk about the lowercase y. On the lowercase y, we're going to start in the middle. and we're going to slant right. Then we're going to lift to the middle and slant left past the bottom. Okay, so let's try that again. Go to the top. We're going to start in the middle, slant right. Then we're going to lift to the middle and slant left past the bottom. So let's try that in the palm of our hand. Put your finger on the palm of your hand. Start in the middle. You're going to slant right, and then you're going to lift to the middle, and you're going to slant left past the bottom to make a lowercase y. Good job. Let's talk about our next letter, which is the last letter of our alphabet, the letter Z. So this is the uppercase Z, and this is the lowercase z. So let's say the Z with a buzzing sound. Ready? Z. Try it again. Z. Very good. Now we can say it with zooming voices. Z. Try that with me. Ready? Z. Good. We're zooming. All right, let's talk about what sound the letter Z makes. So the letter Z makes the sound Z. So you're going to put your teeth together. Z. As in zebra. Z. So say that with me. I want you to say Z, Z, zebra. Ready? Z, Z, zebra. Very good. Look at the names Zoe and Liz. In the first name Zoe, I see a capital Z or an uppercase Z. And Zoe is capitalized because it's a name. Look at the bottom name, Liz. The Z is at the end, and it's a lowercase z because it's at the end of the name or in the middle of the name. Okay, we use our lowercase letters when they're in the middle or at the end, and we only use our uppercase letters at the beginning of a name or a sentence. Okay, let's look at how to make the letter Z. So we're going to do it in the air, and then we're going to write it in the palm of our hands. So we're going to start at the top. We're going to slant right, slant left, slant right. So let's try that together. Ready? Start at the top, slant right, slant left, slant right. Okay, like a zigzag.
Good morning, Gators.
Let's practice writing the letter Z in the palm of our hand. So take the palm of your hand. You're going to start at the top, slant right, slant left, slant right. Good job. One more time. Start at the top, slant right, slant left, slant right. Good. Let's talk about the letter Z that's lowercase. So we're going to start in the middle. We're not going to start at the top because that's our uppercase. We're going to come to the middle. We're going to slide right, slant left, slide right. So the same motion. We're just going to start in the middle of the line now. Let's try it one more time in the air. Start in the middle, slant right, slant left, slant right. Good job. Let's try it in the palm of our hands. So start in the middle. We're going to slant right, slant left, slant right. Good job. One more time. Start in the middle, slant right, slant left, slant right. Very good. Now let's talk about some letters that you have already learned and remember their name and their sound. So we're going to say the name of the letter, the sound of the letter, and the picture. So W, W, watch. Try that with me. W, W, watch. Very good. Let's do the next one. R, rabbit. Try that with me. R, rabbit. Very good. This one, T, tiger. Try it with me. T, tiger. Good job. Let's look at the next letter. Q, quilt. Try it with me. Q, quilt. Good job. Let's look at this one. S, sun. Try it with me. S, sun. Very good. Look at the next one. Y, yo-yo. Try it. Y, yo-yo. Good job. U, umbrella. Your turn. U, umbrella. Good job. X, box. Try it with me. X, box. Good sounds. Z, zebra. Your turn. Z, zebra. One more. V, van. Your turn. V, van. Very good, boys and girls. Remembering your sounds and remembering your letters.